You don't always have to fry your meat while making pepper meat. Let me show you another method. In my pot, I will go in with my meat, already washed meat. I'll add my curry powder, my salt, dry onion, blended onion, and my chili pepper. I will also go with two seasoning cubes, and I'll add my water. I'll mix this together and I'll cook till the meat is soft. Once my meat is soft, I will test and see if there is any ingredient that is excess or that is not enough. Then I will add my salt. After adding my salt, then I will allow this to boil for a few minutes. And after that, I will come and give this a good stir. I'll go with my vegetable oil. I'll add my pepper mix. I'll add more pepper. Since it's pepper meat, I'll add more pepper, my chili pepper. I'll go with tomato and I'll mix this together. And after mixing this, I'll go with my thyme. I will give this a good mix and I will allow this to cook in a very low heat so that the meat will simmer inside very well. And after that, my protein, my pepper meat is ready. Very easy, right? You don't have to fry your meat and it comes out really good. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.